Welcome back. We're back in the flower room. We're looking at the Gotti girl right here. Nice trichome production on the Gotti girl. She's straight fire. Day 42 for her. Doing real well. Going on to the finish line. Yeah, look at some of the buds. Yeah, got it, girl. Dripping. Day 42. This is a 640 watt 6-bar LED above the Gotti girl, and we run them at a progressive, meaning that when they first start flowering we have them at 40%, and we increase gradually. By week 6 we're at 100%. So these are at 100% now. This group of Gotti girl is also on the 640 watt 6-bar light. We got the fan over here. We also got a fan below. These are on day 21. Yeah, day 21. One thing I like about Gotti girl, she don't mess around. She get right to work, right to budding. And she finishes around 56 to 63 days. Get you up in there. Gotti girl going strong. This light is currently at 50% on day 21. Oh, let me give you the temps in the room. We're at 80 degrees Fahrenheit and 60 to 63 relative humidity. You can see the humidity ranges from 66 to 54. We have a window AC in the room, and we have a dehumidifier, 110 pint dehumidifier. That's the Gotti girl. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't. And hit those links in the description for the gravity-fed watering systems, non-electrical. You got the Thirsty Earth oils as well as the Blue Mat watering system. They're not just for growing cannabis. You can have them in your outdoor garden or greenhouse as well. They work very well. saves water, very sustainable. Yep. Until next time.